So here's how you can manually update apps on the iPad. So if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important about your iPad and generally, right? But let's get started. And basically, I want you to at first go to the settings app of the iPad, click on the apps at the bottom of the main list, and choose the App Store from the individual apps. And then there is a automatic downloads section for app downloads, app updates, and in-app content. But we are interested in the updates, and it would make sense to turn it off in here next to app updates because you don't want it to happen automatically. When you turn it on, whenever there is a new update for your apps, it will be installed automatically in the background. But I'm going to turn it off right here, and that means that I have to do the manual thing every time. And the way that it would look is that I would go to the App Store. I can look up, for example, a name of an app which I believe should have an update available, or I can check it, right? And when I open it, I don't see the open button, which means that the app is running the latest version, but instead I see the update button. So I always just click on update and get the latest version of the app whenever I decide to. Some people prefer it this way, some people like it more automatically, and that's why we can customize it and change it according to our needs, right? Me personally, I also like to install my updates manually, so whenever I decide, I click on update so I don't get like randomly new version of something which I didn't really want to. So that is how you would do it. Let me know if you managed to find it. Subscribe for the next quick tips and tutorials like this one about your iPad, iPhone, whatever. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.